Hi, how is it going? Today's video I'm gonna put you through on how to really deal creatively, graphically, professionally in CorelDraw 2021. How to come up with design very classic. So without further ado, let's step into it. So here are the two pictures that we're going to be playing with. So all we need to do right now is to go ahead and change this to grayscale. Go over to bitmap, convert to bitmap, then you select grayscale, it's okay. So make a copy just like so, then you send that to back, make this a bit prominent, bigger. Good. So make a copy of this to the other side. Good. Or better still, let's use this, make a copy of that, change it to grayscale. Good. After that is done, let's select the whole thing, then you go over to your blend, to your shadow tool, create a shadow. Good. Let's make it 50. Good. So right now what you need to do is to go over to object, break this object apart, automatically it breaks, then you go over again, convert to bitmap, wait a while. Good. So what we need to do now is to go ahead to your shape tool, range from the bottom, then you pull it up just like so. We are cutting that part off. Good. So let's go ahead and create a bar cross stats. So in this case what we're going to do is to change it to dark color, the yellow. Good. So right now what we need to do is to make this color picture a bit prominent. Good. Mirror it to the other side, make it bigger a bit. Good. So right now what we need to do is to go ahead and just convert to bitmap. So in this case we are going to use RGB. It's okay. Good. Then you go over to just right from bottom to cut this part off. Good. So right now our next step right now is to go ahead and just create an object just like so. So change that to this color. Can you see that? So what we're gonna do now is to just convert this to bitmap as well. Convert to bitmap. Okay, then you go over to effect, locate blur. Let's use feather. Good. Can you see that? Let's feather it a bit. Good. So right now what you're gonna do is to just make it bigger, make a copy to the other side, then you send this to back, hold Ctrl key, then down and tap on paste down on your keyboard. Good. So what we're gonna do now is to bring this one up, then you go over to your interactive transparency tool, go over to this place and choose screen mode. Good. So what you're gonna do next is just to reduce, then make a copy downward just like so. Good. So right now what you need to do now is to let's arrange our text. So let's go over and just choose a triangle for the arrangement of the text. Use a shape tool and create a tracking. Then let's hit hold Ctrl key down, then you tap on page up to send the text to front. Good. So hit Ctrl key to break that into pieces, then reduce, bring this down, reduce the what's it called, the depth. Then likewise is let it be just like so. Good. Hit Ctrl K to break that into pieces. Then you position this at the top. So let's make this a bit bigger. So in this case, what we needed to do now is to go ahead and change this font to brush script. Let's use Edward. My fonts dark tone, so let's use dark tone. Change it to capital R. Good. Let's use that a bit. So what we are going to do now for this, let's just make this small letter. So make it bigger. Good. So position this beneath it. It has to be very presentable. Good. So let's bring in the larger. Let's use that a bit. Good. Let's reduce this. Good. So bring in this design. Control page up. Good. Good. Can you see that? So can you see the outcome of what we created so far? This is a bit creative and very mind-blowing. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. See you in the next video. Bye for now.